Welcome to Core Insight Channel, the health and self-improvement channel that improves your life. The material in this video is sourced from the book, Obesity Code, by Dr. Jason Fung. One of the best books ever written on the subject of health. In this video, I want to tell you, don't be afraid to drink coffee. The positive effects outweigh the negative effects. How can that be? Watch this video until the end if you are curious. Let's get started. Many people avoid drinking coffee. They argue that the caffeine content in coffee can negatively affect their health. In fact, according to a study conducted in 2005 and published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, coffee has various properties that cannot be underestimated. Coffee contains substances rich in antioxidants that help slow the aging process in cells, and coffee also contains magnesium, which is good for bones and the heart. The results of research conducted in 2008 and 2012 also revealed that coffee is also beneficial in reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Now you know that there is no reason for you to avoid a cup of coffee because the positive effects far outweigh the negative effects. You also need to know that dietary fats aren't as bad as you might think, but be wary of modified trans fats. How could that be? So please click on this video card. If you want to see a more complete summary of the Obesity Code book, please click on this one. In this video, I break it down into 10 core insights that cover new facts you never thought about the causes of obesity. Please click the like and subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be notified when we release future videos. Thanks for